Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. So today we are starting a new series of videos of Power BI DAX functions. So DAX functions are similar to the Excel formula, which will plays a vital role in creating a Power BI queries. Okay, we have taken commonly used functions in this set of series. Let's jump into the video. Before going to the video, if you are watching our channel first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends. And moreover, we have done a 25 days Excel learning formula of 25 different formulas. Those video link will be given as a playlist in the description box. Please do watch that. Let's jump into the video. So first, we have taken 8 popular function types which are used in day-to-day Power BI developers in the market. The first one we can use is date and time functions. So normally how the date and time functions will work. What are the functions we are using like date, data diff and so on. Those functions will be discussed in this date and time functions series. And the second one will be information functions. So this is all about the information of the text which we are using. The third will be logical. So logical will be if conditions and will be the not and everything is gone. The most important thing is mathematical and trigonometric functions. It's essential in Power BI because the Power BI's motto is to give a analytical view of the data which we are having as a raw data. The fifth one will be parent and child functions. So this will be giving you the file path and what are the username and those functions. Those details will be derived from this functions. Six will be statistical functions. So obviously, whole statistical uh, phenomena or the work will be contained over the statistical functions. The seventh will be the text functions. So text functions will be the same like length, how to convert the string, what is the replace, find, lookup value, everything comes under this text functions. The last one will be the other functions. So apart from the others, I mean like 7 different functions like other like is, day or weekdays. So those things will be covered under this 8 functions topics. So each function types have their own set of data like 4 to 5 different examples. Each one will be created as a video and it will be uploaded in a daily basis. So stay tuned with our Google Tech. See you in the existed video and the first function of date and time functions. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Jai Hind.